Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting example which is a real life example as well. कभी आपने किसी बच्चे को ऑब्जर्व किया है जिसने अभी अभी हिंदी बोलना सीखा है या अपनी लैंग्वेज बोलना सीख रहा है? Guys, go and observe that kid. That kid is a lot of inspiration for all of us. I'll tell you how. But before that, आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया? Do it right now. Okay, I'm going to talk about the child today. Now, and what all inspiration and knowledge we can gain from that child. अब वो बच्चा अपना भाषा बोलना सीख रहा है. Same as with us. हम भी इंग्लिश बोलना सीख रहे हैं, right? So there is a similarity, but there's some difference which I'm going to discuss in this video with the exercise sessions which will really help you to achieve that. Guys, please like my video, do share and comment if you need any other details. Let's get started. तो वो चाइल्ड जो होता है जब बोलना सीख रहा होता है तो उसके अराउंड जो एनवायरनमेंट होता है वो उसी से पिकअप करता है वर्ड्स, राइट? सो his inspiration, the kid's inspiration is his parents, grandparents, or the people around the kid who are constantly talking to the kid every single day. Now the kid starts picking up words from them and starts remembering it. Once the kid starts remembering it or get used to with those words, he or she starts speaking it. वो भी वन बाय वन, स्टेप बाय स्टेप करके. पहले वो एक वर्ड से शुरू करता है, जैसे ममा, पापा, पानी, खाना, ऑल दीज थिंग्स. एक वर्ड से शुरू करता है, फिर वो दो वर्ड का बोलता है, एंड देन द किड कीप्स ऑन बिल्डिंग दैट इनकम्प्लीट सेंटेंस, एंड देन फाइनली द किड is able to speak completely, right? A complete sentence. Same goes with us. हमें भी एक environment ढूंढना है जो हमारी help करे, to learn the words, to get familiar with the words. Now, the kid's environment is, everybody is around him, talking to him, and, those are his inspiration and his motivation basically to learn the language. But in our case, we are not fortunate enough that everybody around us talks in English, right? But we have an advantage here. We know how to read English, we know how to write English, we know to understand English. Okay, so that is not a problem with us which the child has. We are familiar with the language. We know everything, but it's just that we are not able to put that in words or sentences because we don't practice. Now, tip number 1, how do we practice? The kid listens to the words because everybody is, around him or her is constantly saying the words mama bolo, papa bolo, or whatever, what not. But nobody is with after us to say ye bolo, ye bolo, ye bolo. Okay, or English bolo. Well, not a problem. I'll give you a solution. Solution is very simple. There's a simple exercise which I'm going to tell you, which is very interesting as well, and it's fun. I enjoy doing that. Well, on that note, let's go to a birthday party. No, not really. But we have to imagine that we have to imagine that we are in a birthday party. Now, the next thing is, whatever you see there, just try to, say that in English. I'm not talking about sentences. I'm just talking about words. Like, when you enter the, party hall, you see a banner saying happy birthday. You see balloons, you see decoration, you see cake, you see candle, you see knife, you see food, you see drinks, and guests, and lots more. Guys, you don't have to take any effort. It's just that you just go into that party, start observing the things, and say those things in English. आप गुब्बारा मत बोलो, आप बलून बोलो. आप तोहफा मत बोलो, गिफ्ट्स बोलो. आप मोमबत्ती मत बोलो, आप कैंडल बोलो. आप चाकू मत बोलो, आप नाइफ बोलो. See, you are replacing all the words with English. This is what will help you to improve your vocabulary or increase your vocabulary. And the second most important thing is, this will also help you to, become familiar with those words, so that next time when you go somewhere else and you see that object, you are immediately going to say that in English, not in Hindi, right? Or your mother tongue, for instance. So this exercise will definitely help you. Now, taking another example, if you're going to a mall, we are going for grocery shopping, or we are going to a park, do this exercise. Start speaking, in English. Start speaking about those objects in English. Okay, like if we are in a park, we see fountain, we see water, we see rocks, we see trees, plants, flowers, children, noise, jogging track, lots and lots. So this is your environment. Whichever situation you are in, at home, outside, you are in an environment, you have a lot of inspiration. You just have to think and start naming the objects in English. That's it. Okay, coming to the next tip. Now you are familiar with the words. You have got a lot of words. You can, whenever you see एक पेड़ दिख रहा है, immediately you say tree, not पेड़. Okay, so you got habituated with speaking in English. Okay, now the next step should be, जैसे वो बच्चा करता है कि फिर 2 वर्ड 3 वर्ड के sentences बोलता है, you do the same. Start trying to use 2 or 3 word phrases. Now what does that mean? हमें किसी बर्थडे पार्टी का इनविटेशन आता है, we can say we are invited, let's go, see you soon, see you tomorrow, what's up, good morning, hello everyone, bye, goodbye, take care. You're understanding what I'm trying to say? These are the short phrases, 2 to 3 word phrases, or we can also say short sentences. These complete, they have a meaning to it. Okay, so start using short phrases and short sentences and then build up. Okay, so guys, I'm very sure that these 2 points are very clear to you, and you will keep practicing this so that you will get used to words and building sentences. This will be a building block or a framework which will help you build on your English, which will lead to expert or advanced level, right? So start doing this. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.